Are you pregnant or planning on becoming pregnant? I laugh. I sound like a commercial for some medication FDA warning. But no, I'm here to talk to you about whether or not you can apply for a mortgage while on or going on maternity leave. So I'm going to start by saying ECOA, federal law, Equal Opportunity Credit Act, actually prohibits us lenders from discriminating against borrowers for whether they're pregnant or want to have a child, their familial status. So you should never hear the question, are you pregnant or are you going to be pregnant, come out of the lips of your mortgage lender. That being said, there's some suggestions I have. Yes, in short, to answer my question, the question that was posed to me while I'm making this video is you can get a mortgage while on maternity leave. You can apply for a mortgage and close the loan and get your house before starting maternity leave. You can apply while on maternity leave and go back to work. And maybe get your first paycheck to show you're back to work. So don't let going on or being on maternity leave stop you from having a conversation with a mortgage broker or applying for a loan. Now, I mentioned mortgage broker. It is different than going into your bank and asking. They're very limited on some of their programs. I, at eMortgage Capital, have the fortunate opportunity to actually work with 110 different lenders. Some of them, may shy away from the certainty of employment and income while you're on maternity leave, while others, they may only look for a letter from your employer that guarantees that you are going to have your job, you're going to continue working your employment, like you're on a leave. Imagine if you're just on a month-long vacation. Now, some states do have paid maternity leave. If you're in one of those states or your employer gives you paid maternity leave, hey, you're not skipping a beat. You're definitely not going to have a problem. But if you're taking unpaid maternity leave, you still can apply. Unless you know for certainty you're going on maternity leave and not going back to work, then you have the option to at least apply using your the other parent of the child. I say that because nowadays it can be a spouse, it can be a boyfriend, girlfriend, however it is. But you may need someone else to supplant your income if you're not going back to work. But if you are on maternity leave and you do intend to go back to work and your employer is, because of FMLA, maintaining that job or like job for you when you return, we should not have a problem. So every circumstance is different. No, I'm not going to ask you if it's a boy or a girl, although when you close escrow on your house, you can expect a little baby gift from me. Any questions about applying while on maternity leave or anything about mortgages, please reach out. LBammer, eMortgage Capital.